On early cars, the air filter housing covered the mechanical fuel injection system or carburetors. The circular air filter is located inside the housing and is accessed by removing the long snout of the air cleaner housing. You don't need to remove the retaining screws to replace the air filter. Simply loosen them up and rotate the snout until it comes off. The CIS cars, 1973.5 to 1983, house the air filter underneath the plastic intake housing. This housing is held onto the CIS airbox by two rubber straps. Access to the filter is gained by disconnecting the straps and removing the housing. Inspect the straps when you remove the filter, as these have a habit of breaking when they age. The Carreras, 1984 to 1989, and the 911 Turbos house their air filters in a box on the right side of the car. This box is held together with clips. To replace the air filter, simply unsnap the metal clips and pull the old air filter out. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.